What if I told you you could go from a single AI image to a cinematic video and even edit that video just by talking to it? No timelines, no keyframes, no complicated software. Today, I'll show you a complete AI workflow using Higgsfield's new Gemini Omni Flash and Nano Banana 2 Lite. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate consistent AI characters, turn them into videos, and edit everything with simple prompts. And stick around because the last edit completely changed my scene with just one sentence. If you want to follow along and test these tools yourself, I'll leave a link to Higgsfield in the description below so you can explore Gemini Omni Flash and Nano Banana 2 Lite. If you've been creating with AI recently, you've probably noticed something. Most AI tools are really good at doing one thing. One generates images, another creates videos, another edits them. Before you know it, you're juggling multiple websites just to finish one project. That's exactly why Higgsfield caught my attention. Instead of separating every step of the creative process, Higgsfield brings everything together in one workspace. Today we're using two of Google's newest AI models available on Higgsfield. Nano Banana 2 Lite, which creates high-quality images in just a few seconds, and Gemini Omni Flash, which transforms those images into videos and lets you edit them using simple conversational prompts. So, instead of talking about the features, let's actually build something. Let's start by creating a character. One of the biggest challenges with AI-generated content is maintaining character consistency across different scenes. You might create an amazing image, but when you try to generate another scene with the same character, the face, clothing, or overall design can completely change. So that's exactly what we're going to test. On your Higgsfield dashboard, go to the top menu and select Image. From here, look for Nano Banana 2 Lite. We are starting with Nano Banana 2 Lite because this model is designed to create high-quality images extremely quickly. It can generate images in less than 6 seconds, making it perfect for fast creative workflows, quick edits, and testing different ideas without waiting around. Whether you're creating ad variations, designing social media content, building concepts, or simply using AI as your creative assistant, Nano Banana 2 Lite helps you move from an idea to a finished image almost instantly. If speed matters in your creative process, this is definitely a model worth exploring. For the settings, I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I want this optimized for a YouTube video format. For quality, I'll select high. For the output options, we can generate up to 4 images, but for this tutorial, I'll use 3. Since Nano Banana 2 Lite already produces high-quality images, I don't need too many variations for this example. Now, I'll use the prompt I prepared. A futuristic explorer wearing reflective silver armor standing inside a glowing crystal cave. Cinematic lighting, volumetric fog, ultra-realistic, highly detailed, dramatic composition, realistic facial features, 8K. I'll hit generate and wait for the results. That was incredibly fast. In just a few seconds, we already have multiple high-quality options to choose from. The details are impressive. The armor has realistic textures. The environment feels immersive. The character design looks consistent, with clear facial features and a strong visual identity. This is the type of image that can immediately work as concept art, a thumbnail, a story reference image, or even a starting point for a larger creative project. What I like here is that the image doesn't just look good as a still image. It already feels like a frame from a movie. The lighting creates depth, the character feels believable, and the environment gives us a story to build around. But now comes the exciting part. We are going to take this image and turn it into a moving cinematic scene. I personally like the second result the most, so I'm going to select this one and use it as our reference image. Instead of downloading this image and opening another application, I can use it directly inside Higgsfield with Gemini Omni Flash. You can upload your media here, or you can simply select from the images you've already generated inside your workspace. I will select the image I created with Nano Banana 2 Lite and pass that image into Omni as a reference. The goal is to animate this still image into a full cinematic video clip. I'll make sure Gemini Omni Flash is selected as the model. For the aspect ratio, I'll keep it at 16:9. For the duration, I'll maintain the default 10-second generation time. Now let's add our animation prompt. Animate the explorer walking slowly through the glowing crystal cave. Floating crystal particles drift through the air while the camera performs a slow cinematic push-in. Realistic body movement, natural lighting, subtle cloth movement, atmospheric fog, high-end cinematic look. I'll click Generate and wait for Gemini Omni Flash to create the video. And there it is. The static image has now become a moving cinematic scene. What stands out to me is how well the original details are preserved. The character still looks like the same person from the original image. The armor remains consistent. The environment keeps the same visual style. The movement feels natural instead of looking like a simple image effect. And what really surprised me is that the generated video is only 720p, but the quality still looks impressive. The details, motion, and overall cinematic feel make it look much closer to a real video clip rather than just an animated picture. This is where image generation starts becoming storytelling. Now let's see what really makes Gemini Omni Flash interesting. Instead of opening a complicated video editor and manually changing different elements, I'm simply going to describe the changes I want. This is where AI editing starts to feel more like having a conversation with a creative assistant. Turn this scene into a rainy night while keeping the same character, environment, and camera movement. Add realistic rain, wet reflective surfaces, and cinematic blue lighting. Same scene, same character, completely different atmosphere. The impressive part is that the AI keeps the important details intact while changing the entire mood of the scene. The character remains recognizable, but the environment now feels darker, more dramatic, and much more cinematic. Now let's make another change. Instead of creating a new character from scratch, I want to change the outfit while keeping the same identity. Replace the reflective silver armor with a futuristic black tactical suit featuring glowing blue accents while keeping the character's face and body identical. What's impressive here is that I'm not rebuilding the entire video. I'm simply describing the change. The character stays consistent, but the visual style completely changes. This type of editing can be extremely useful for creating different versions of the same character for stories, advertisements, games, or social media content. Let's make one more transformation and completely change the world around this character. Transform the cave into an abandoned ancient temple with mysterious floating light, warm cinematic lighting, and a more adventurous atmosphere while preserving the character. Increase the cinematic feel by adding a slow orbit camera movement around the explorer, subtle depth of field, dramatic lighting, and realistic environmental motion. Now it feels like a completely different story. The character that started inside a crystal cave now feels like the main character of an adventure film. The environment changed, the atmosphere changed, and the storytelling direction completely shifted. But the character remained consistent. And that's probably my favorite part of this workflow. Every edit feels like you're working with a creative assistant instead of learning complicated editing software. Let's look at what we just did. We started with a single prompt inside Nano Banana 2 Lite, turned that image into a cinematic video using Gemini Omni Flash, then completely transformed the same scene multiple times simply by describing what we wanted. No timelines, no masking, no keyframes, just ideas becoming visuals. The first example was all about storytelling and creating a consistent AI character. But not everyone using AI is making short films or animated stories. A lot of creators, marketers, and business owners need professional product visuals for ads, social media campaigns, websites, and presentations. So now let's see if this same workflow can create a premium product commercial from start to finish. Let's create another impressive commercial-style visual. For this example, I'm going to create a luxury smartwatch, but the same workflow can be used for almost any product. Whether you're creating visuals for shoes, cosmetics, jewelry, gadgets, or other products, Nano Banana 2 Lite can help you quickly generate high-quality concepts. I'll paste my prompt and ask Nano Banana 2 Lite to create a premium product image. A premium luxury smartwatch floating above a black reflective surface, brushed titanium finish, elegant modern design, dramatic studio lighting, ultra-realistic product photography, cinematic reflections, minimal luxury background, 8K. I'll click Generate and wait for the results. And once again, it only takes a few seconds. The result looks incredibly polished. The smartwatch has realistic materials, detailed textures, and a premium finish. The metallic surface reflects the environment naturally, and the composition already feels like something created for a professional advertising campaign. What I like about this is that we're not just generating an object, we're generating a complete visual concept. the lighting, background, and product positioning are already helping tell a story. Looking closer, the small details really stand out. The edges of the watch look clean. The reflections feel realistic. The overall image has that luxury product photography style you normally see in expensive commercial shoots. Honestly, if someone showed me this image without context, I could easily believe it came from a professional product photo shoot. Now let's take this still product image and turn it into a complete commercial video. I'll head back to Gemini Omni Flash and use this image as my reference. I'll select the product image I created with Nano Banana 2 Lite and pass it into Gemini Omni Flash. I'll make sure Gemini Omni Flash is selected. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, maintain the 10-second duration, and now I'll add my animation prompt. Animate the luxury smartwatch slowly rotating in midair while dramatic light sweeps across the titanium body. Add subtle reflections, premium studio atmosphere, cinematic camera movement, and ultra-realistic product presentation. Let's generate the video. And there it is. The product image has now transformed into a cinematic advertisement. The watch maintains the same design from the original image, which is important because consistency is one of the biggest challenges with AI-generated product videos. The shape, materials, and overall appearance stay recognizable while adding realistic movement. The rotation makes the product feel like it's actually being presented in a commercial. The reflections move naturally across the surface, and the final result feels much closer to a real studio product video rather than a simple animation. What I also like is how connected the entire process feels. We started with a single AI-generated image. Then Gemini Omni Flash understood that image and created motion around it. The camera movement feels smooth, the product remains the focus, and the final result gives us a strong foundation that we can continue editing. Now let's push it a little further. Instead of recreating the entire commercial, I'll simply tell Gemini Omni Flash what changes I want. I want to completely change the environment while keeping the same product. Replace the black studio background with a futuristic white minimal studio featuring soft reflections while keeping the smartwatch identical. Completely different look, same product. This is where conversational editing becomes really powerful. The smartwatch stays consistent, but the entire presentation style changes. A product that originally felt dark and dramatic now feels cleaner, brighter, and more futuristic. Now let's try changing the product design itself. Add realistic slow-motion water splashes around the smartwatch while maintaining cinematic lighting and premium commercial quality. The result is impressive. The water splash looks like a real slow-motion product shot from an expensive studio setup. The watch remains the main focus, while the added effects create more energy and visual impact. This type of effect would normally require a physical product shoot, special equipment, and careful lighting. Here, we're creating that style with a simple prompt. Now we're getting those luxury commercial vibes. Finally, let's turn this into a complete premium advertisement. Transform this into a premium luxury commercial with dramatic slow-motion camera movement, elegant lighting transitions, floating particles, and a sophisticated cinematic atmosphere. That took just one prompt, no complicated editing, no rebuilding the scene, just describing the result I wanted. And this is what makes the workflow interesting. Instead of thinking about technical steps, you can focus on the creative direction. You describe the vision, and the AI helps bring it closer to reality. So let's look at what we created. First, we built a consistent AI character. We generated an image with Higgsfield Nano Banana 2 Lite, animated it on the same Higgsfield platform with Gemini Omni Flash. Then changed the environment, outfit, and mood through simple conversations. After that, we used the exact same workflow to create a premium product commercial. A completely different type of content, but the same creative pipeline. This is why the combination of Higgsfield Nano Banana 2 Lite and Gemini Omni Flash is interesting. One model helps you create the visual idea. The other helps you bring that idea to life within the same platform. Together, they close the gap between image creation and video production. If you've been searching for a faster way to create AI images, AI videos, and consistent creative content, this workflow is definitely worth exploring. With Nano Banana 2 Lite and Gemini Omni Flash inside Higgsfield, you can go from an idea to a finished visual story much faster. If you want to explore this workflow and try Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash and Nano Banana 2 Lite yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can use it to get started and create your own AI videos. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more practical AI tools and workflows for creators, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.